Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your wallet in Ton Wallet application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ton Keeper application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your wallet. Now, select the wallet which you want to delete by clicking on this button here. Now, go to the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down until you see delete account option and click on it. Now, click on the small box here. After that, click on delete wallet button. So, that is how you can delete your wallet in Ton Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.